It's been a while since I've done a day in my life video, so this is another day in my life. I need some PC repairs, specifically my laptop. So I took my laptop to a man that I've known for a couple of years. He helped me rebuild my PC and fix it when I had it shipped in from the United States. And since then we've become friends. I've always come to this guy for all my PC needs. So today I brought him my laptop. It's very dirty inside. The speakers for some reason stopped working. The trackpad's not working. And the battery won't hold a charge anymore. So he's gonna replace the battery cells for me. So I'm gonna show you his shop. I'm in District 4 right now. I'll show you where I'm at on Google Maps right now. And this is his shop in District 4, off one of the little streets. Not quite an alleyway, but kind of a little bit of a side street. He lives there above his shop, there, with his wife. He's a new father. He just had a child. He's a Vietnamese man. He's about my age. Maybe a few years younger. He's about 35, 34. Well, let's go take a look at his shop. Den Hue? Hyun. I don't know if I said that right. As is customary in most shops in Vietnam, you gotta take off your shoes. Boy, it's hot. Nam Moi, as we say in Vietnamese, it's so hot today. Like somebody left his muffler at home. This gentleman has done numerous repairs for me, and he's also given me a lot of free services. So I don't go to anybody else for my PC. Even now, I'm going to leave my laptop with him for a couple days so he can order the parts to replace the cells. He has full access to my Facebook, my Gmail, my Yellow. I didn't clear any cache. He has full access to everything, and I trust him 100%. So not many people you can do that with here in Vietnam or anywhere for that matter. Like he's got a lot of old laptops. Are you selling these? These empty? Checking them. Yeah, empty cases. The security camera. Old? Very old? Case of PC parts and supplies here. How is your business? Do you get a lot of customers still?
Yeah.
You still got customers?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. I was worried that your business, a lot of people in Ho Chi Minh City lost their businesses because of COVID. Good to see that you're still doing good. I bought this laptop from America 3 years ago before I moved to Vietnam. I bought it on iBuyPower. It was one of the top of the line best laptops you could get that was that size. It has an RTX 2070 in it. It's got a 17-inch G-Sync 144 hertz monitor. It's got 32 gigabytes of RAM. It's got a 2 terabyte M.2 drive. It cost me a lot of money, and the reason it cost me so much is the hardware's so good and the laptop's so thin. And me being a gamer, I was gonna start traveling abroad. I wanted to be able to play all the newest games at the highest settings. But one word of warning is when you buy a PC that's this thin with hardware that powerful, is it gets hot quick. So today he is cleaning it out since I have cats. The fans don't exhaust very well with all that cat hair and cat dander in there. So he just opened it up. You can see how dirty it is. So dirty with the fans. It's all cat hair and cat dander. Right now he's taking out the battery and he's going to replace the cells for me. He says he'll have it on Tuesday. Today's Saturday. So I'll just leave it with him. I have a PC at home that I use, so it's not a big deal. It's still game. Looking at this thing now, it looks like an old jumped out computer. You got everything taken out, got the fan taken out, the battery taken out. The computer cost me about $4,000 USD when I first bought it. It was very expensive. I splurged. I wanted to make sure I could run my games. The brand of the computer is Republic of Gamers. It's an Acer. So when I went to retrieve the footage from my camera, I noticed there was a human malfunction, and that malfunction was I forgot to turn the camera on. So I'm finishing the video from my balcony in my apartment in Yabe. All you guys really missed was him finishing cleaning the computer and taking my battery apart. He still has to order the battery cells, and that's the expensive part, but the grand total of the price is 1.2 million BND, which is about $52 USD. I hope you guys enjoy my videos. Thank you so much for your likes, your comments, your subscriptions, but thank you so much especially for staying awesome.